Hello everyone, I'm Nithish and you're watching IPO Pulse India. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about upcoming IPOs, Midwest Limited, a company that mines one of the rarest and most luxurious stones in the world, the Black Galaxy Granite. Did you know this granite is used in the interiors of the Burj Khalifa, luxury hotels, and airports across the globe? And it's found only in one small region in India. Let's decode whether this IPO is worth your money or better left untouched. Midwest Limited began its journey back in 1981 as a small regional mining firm. Over the years, it has transformed into a vertically integrated natural stone company, handling everything from mining and exploration to processing, marketing, and exports. Their crown jewel is the Black Galaxy Granite, found only in Chimkurthi, Andhra Pradesh, and the Absolute Black Granite from Telangana. These stones are globally recognized for premium construction projects, from skyscrapers to luxury villas. But that's not all. The company is expanding into high-purity quartz and heavy mineral sands, both used in industries like solar glass and advanced ceramics. Granite is the company's bread and butter. In fact, 96% of Midwest's revenue comes from granite blocks, mainly Black Galaxy and Absolute Black varieties. They currently operate 16 granite mines, 2 granite processing units, 3 quartz mines, and a quartz processing plant. The highlight? Midwest holds a 64% market share in Black Galaxy Granite, giving it an almost monopoly-like advantage in this niche segment. However, here's an interesting twist. China is Midwest's biggest customer, contributing over 50% of its revenue. While this gives them consistent demand, it also creates geopolitical and dependency risks. Any slowdown in China's real estate sector or trade restrictions could impact earnings. That's exactly why Midwest is trying to diversify into quartz and mineral sands, a smart move to reduce concentration risk. India is one of the largest exporters of granite globally, producing nearly 20 million tons in FY25, growing at a modest 4.7% CAGR. But here's the edge. Black Galaxy Granite has demand exceeding supply, which gives Midwest strong pricing power. That said, the growth in the granite industry itself is stable, not explosive. So, diversification into quartz and mineral sands could be the next growth engine for Midwest in the coming decade. Let's break down the financials. Revenue increased from 522 crore rupees to 643 crore rupees, a steady growth. EBITDA margins improved from 17.8% to 27.4%, thanks to better operational efficiency and use of captive solar power. Net profit nearly doubled, from 53 crore rupees to 133 crore rupees, though 25 crore rupees of that came from exceptional gains. The debt-to-equity ratio currently stands at 0.47, slightly on the higher side, but manageable. So overall, stable top line, rising profitability, and improving margins, but growth is still not very aggressive. Midwest's closest listed peer is Pokarna Ltd, which also mines and exports granite. Looking at the metrics, Midwest has a pay ratio of 29 times whereas Pokarna has pay ratio of 35 times. Midwest earnings has grown by 57% whereas Pokarna has grown by only 34%. While Midwest looks slightly cheaper on PE, it's not undervalued, especially given its slower revenue growth and dependence on one product category. Both companies carry similar debt levels, so Midwest's valuation feels fair to slightly stretched. Here are the important IPO facts. Issue size is of 451 crore rupees, out of which fresh issue is of 250 crore rupees and offer for sale is of 201 crore rupees. Price band is between 150 rupee to 165 rupee per share. Lot size is 14 shares per lot. Minimum investment is 14,910 rupees for one lot. Post-issue market cap is to be around 3,851 crore rupees. Post-IPO, promoter holding will be at 84%, which needs to come down below 75% in 3 years. Calendar important dates. IPO opens on 15th October 2020-25, closes on 17th October 2025. Allotment expected on 20th October 2025. Refunds and demand credit will be made on 23rd October 2025. Midwest is expected to be listed on 24th October 2025. So, here's our final take on the Midwest Limited IPO. Positives notes are: near monopoly in premium Black Galaxy Granite. Strong pricing power due to limited global supply. Improving profit margins. Diversification into new minerals and quartz. Concerning points are: high dependence on China for exports. Moderate top-line growth. Slightly overvalued compared to peers. Promoters still holding 84% post-listing. Final verdict is: avoid for listing gains, as grey market sentiment appears moderate. Neutral for long-term. Wait and watch how their diversification plays out before taking a position. So, what's your view on the Midwest Limited IPO? Are you applying or staying away? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this analysis useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IPO Pulse India for more in-depth IPO breakdowns, listing day reviews, and insider market insights. This is Nithish, signing off. See you in the next IPO analysis video.